On YouTube, let's get the day started. You can see we're in little baby mode right now. Gotta make some food today. We're gonna do some cooking. So if you wanna watch some cooking and a little bit of session maybe in the end of the video, let's get to it. Jump in there. Yeah.
Good job.
Look at you.
Is that your pool?
Don't drink the water. Don't drink the water.
This way.
Before we head over to the grocery store, let's get some gaming in first, huh? Let's do this. Gaming, cooking, grocery store. I don't know what else we're doing, but it's a busy vlog, baby. It's a busy vlog. Let's rock. We got the pumpkin. Let's go. Pumpkin. I got little pumpkins. I got this little shit. Hi. Let's get to carving. Well, most of those clips are in slow motion. My fucking bad. Jana is carving the pumpkin. Let's go. It's open.
What's that?
Do we like this? I don't think you can have that, yeah.
Yeah, they do.
And we got a baby attached to us. We're chilling.
Pumpkin seeds or just throw it away?
Yeah, we can. Why not? Pumpkin seeds are yummy. So I bought a bag, honestly.
So itchy. Motherfuckers.
Mosquitoes suck. When was the last time you guys carved a pumpkin? Let me know in the comments. Alright, Jana has carved it up. Let's see. What do we think?
It's empty.
Boom! Let's go. Now we gotta put some leg holes on it for the bibbit. What are you doing down there?
So look at fucking mosquito bite. It's so itchy. I can't get it with my fucking nails.
Yeah, in front of like the rose bush lavender thing or whatever. Look cute. Okay, that one didn't work. Pumpkin was too small. We even tried to like carve it and we gotta get a new one. Take two coming soon. Alright, we're gonna be making a stir fry, some rice, Brussels sprouts, and I think zucchini or squash. I don't know what it's called, but let's get to it. Some rice in here, actually. Nice. Before getting the rice washed and everything, we're gonna go ahead and throw this meat into a plastic bag with some of the seasonings and sauces and let them marinate for a little bit. Perfect for a little stir fry. Just want to separate them a little bit. Perfect. All right, we're gonna put some soy sauce in here. Oh, not the lid. Could be generous, don't be scared. And soy sauce. We're going to put a little sesame oil in here. We're going to put some fish oil in here. With some pepper. These little grinders suck. They are the worst. We got a little pepper. We're going to go a little salt. Same thing, mix it around a little bit. Try to get as much of it covered. We'll put the chili paste a little bit later while we're cooking, so that's perfect. We're just going to let that sit for a little bit. Throw it in the fridge. Honestly, I'm just going to leave it out there because it's already pretty cold. I want it to get more room temp before I cook it. So we're just gonna let this hang out. Next, we gotta wash this rice. Get it clean, get all the starch off of it. You can just see how white that water is. It looks like milk. You want it to run pretty clear. Just do it like 2, 3, maybe 4 times. Whatever you're comfortable with, but definitely wash it. Don't just eat it. Don't do that until it's already way more clear. One more time. Pretty clear. It's like watered down milk. Rice is clean. All right, now we'll just add the same amount of water to this as well. Basically just want to have enough water to cover all the rice. Not really rocket science with making it. I guess it's easy to mess up, honestly, if you're not really paying attention, but it's rice. It's pretty simple. It's water and rice. For the rice, it's super simple. Now we just throw it on the rice cooker. This is I guess it's not a rice cooker, it's an Instapot, but it's got rice cook mode. Lock it in, hit rice, let it do its thing. On to the next, let's go. So on these, all you want to do is just cut the ends off. When you cut the ends off, it makes it super easy. And then what I like to do, split them. Bam. So this is what we're looking for. This is our goal. How many can we do? Let's go. I'm actually going to oil up this pan and then just start filling up the pan so I know exactly how many will fit. No stick. I lied. I'm actually going to stick them in a bowl because I need to oil them and salt and pepper them. So I'll put them on the pan after. Let's get to cutting. Let's get these in this bowl, get some salt and pepper, olive oil on them, and then we'll get them in the oven. It's ready for the oven, baby. Let's go. Let's toss those in. Let those do their thing. Next, we got to cut up this zucchini or Italian squash. Tell me in the comments what it's called. Probably should have just did one of the big one, but screw it. I need to use it. It's getting a little soft. I think I'm just gonna saute this. I might just bake them, honestly, because there's so many of them. Yeah, screw it. I'm gonna bake them and see how it comes out. We'll see. Either it's horrible or it's gonna be yummy. But there's too many of them to saute on my little pan. So I'm tossing them in this bowl. Get some olive oil, salt, and pepper on them. And let's see what happens. All right, let's get that olive oil, salt, and pepper on them. With a little bit of the this lemon pepper too. Just give them a little something different. Let's put these on here. Get these in a nice even order, stacked on top of each other. You can all cook hopefully evenly. Try to cut them as even as possible, but a couple look a little thicker, but that's okay. Let's try that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and stick these in the oven as well. And the Brussels. Some greens getting baked. All right, got 9 minutes on the rice. Let's get this meat cooking, huh? Let's turn the stove on. Get this cast iron nice and warm. Got our bag of meat that's been marinated. It's like thin cut, grass fed, little steaks, little strips. It's gonna be perfect. The rice is cooking. This should end perfectly. Oh, I do need to cut up a little bit of this onion as well to throw in there with the meat. Let's do that real quick. Just a little piece. I destroyed my onion. Shit. Get back together. Make that harder to slice. Is it perfect? Nope, but it's doable. All right, I'm gonna toss a little butter on here. I'm gonna toss these onions on here. And then we're getting this steak going. Onions and butter just smell so fucking good. I'm gonna get these kind of like translucent, and then the steaks are going in. We'll throw a little bit more butter too. All right, let's get that steak in there, guys. All we're gonna add now is a little red curry paste. Spice it up a little bit. And this stuff cooks real quick. You only get a minute or two on here. Not overcook it because it is so thin. All right, we're gonna let that sit and rest. We needed like 2 or 3 minutes to cook. The rice is beeping, yelling at us. We'll release that. Brussels and the zucchini should be done by the time we're done with the rice. Let's keep rocking, guys. Come on. All right, so now we need to grab a towel and let all the steam out of the Instapot. Grab a bunch of fresh rice. Let's go. Shout out to the Instapot, man. This thing is amazing. Let's get what rice we're gonna use tonight and then put the rest away. And let's eat. What are you barking at, dude? Always barking and shit. All right, now we'll put the rest of this rice in here so we can save it. Let's take these. I just tried one. These are yummy. Let's go. Let's check these Brussels sprouts now. Let's see if we can get it focused. All right, let's get those Brussels sprouts out. Oh yeah, look at those. Bam! Stick. Some zucchini or squash. Put mussels with it too. Not bad. Simple, quick, easy, and expensive. Let's go. Can I help you? Today, is this how you bake for food? That's our life. Baby time. Dinner's done. Bath time. Look at this thing.
2 hours later.
YouTube, what up? We're back with the pre-rolls, man. I got 8-bit buds. It's pretty affordable pre-roll. I'll put the price up here. I think it's less than 20 bucks out the door. Is it any good? We're about to find out. We're gonna cut it open. We're gonna smoke it. Let's get to it. The 8-bit buds. I do like their branding or whatever. It's like a little retro gaming type vibe. It's kind of sick. 1 gram. Diamond infused, I think. Yeah, diamond infused pre-roll. Let's see. All right, I'm gonna cut this thing in half, smoke half, and then we're gonna investigate half. All right, so it does look like it's just whole flower in here. There's no stems, there's no sticks. It definitely looks like they used whole buds in here, which is really nice. You love to see that. Is it outdoor? Is it greenhouse? That probably is true. Maybe best case scenario, it's like indoor smalls, but it looks a little darker. So I'm gonna go ahead on the side that it's probably some greenhouse or probably outdoor. Let's try this other half though. Come on. All right, let's give this thing a try. Doesn't taste great right off the bat. Doesn't taste nasty, but it tastes kind of earthy, that dirt flavor. It does taste kind of like trim, but I saw there was no trim in there. It's like chlorophyll dirt. This is not a great tasting joint, but no buts. This is not a good tasting joint. Fuck, it's not good. Packaging was cool. 8-bit buds, it's a cool little name. Oh, they said it was diamond infused too. I don't know if we saw any diamonds. I don't know. Maybe they were like melted in or something. Yeah, I don't know about this one. It's a little harsh too, to be honest. It's definitely a little bit harsh. Yeah, I'm not vibing with this one. I'm putting it out. I only spoke like 10% of it. We're putting this out. This is gross. Would not recommend the 8-bit buds pre-roll. Don't buy these. I don't know, maybe there's a different flavor. We'll try another flavor at some point. I'll see you guys the rest of this vlog. Look at that, #1, baby! Love you guys, appreciate you. Thank you for watching the content. Let's go!